Good day. Well, got some latest news after 3i Atlas has gone by Jupiter, and what I can say is I called it months ago. That is great. Let's us eat chocolate cake. Boom, boom, boom. No aero braking. No gravity assist. No orbit. No crashing into Jupiter. All of them out. God, didn't happen. What did happen? Oh, it deflected 3i Atlas less than 1 degree, about 224 arc seconds, which is like about that, about that bit. And it's traveling at 219 kilometers a second. That's about 130,000 miles per hour. It slowed it down about 1 to 2 kilometers per second. Should have converted it so you got it all half. But anyhow, basically it slowed it down about that much. And it deflected it about that much. And now it's off into space. It's going. It's bye-bye. Jets are still going. That's pretty interesting. All the jets are harder to see, harder to find. But the jets are still active. The anti-tail, the one pointing back to the sun, is still present. Interesting. Again, as I mentioned in an earlier video, the mass of this has been recalculated again, and it is still much, much larger than they thought, and still the fastest thing that's ever gone through our solar system that we're aware of. Now, one thing that people have started to talk about, which is what I called also, go back and look at the record. It's online. Go look at it. Nucleosynthesis synthesis. Ha! I called it. Other people were just now going into it. Oh, by the way, here we can see projections on 3i Atlas passing Jupiter, and it's the little blue one. It didn't go very much. It's pretty much the straightest one coming out, right in there. But anyhow, not much deflection. But now, getting back to our wonderful nucleosynthesis. This explains the heavy metals. It explains the heavy elements. It explains other elements. It explains density. This thing I call now, and I called it before, is it's either a remnant of a supernova, and it's still it's got mass crunched. It's got huge size. It's got it's really hard to burn, but it is burning. But it is a very, very solid, very, very large object, and it's burning like hell, but it still has so much mass. Not a problem. It's like a sun core. Boom. So I think it either can be a byproduct of a supernova from way back in time, because this thing is, 3i Atlas is older than shit, traveling faster than hell. Or it's kind of like a sun that didn't happen. It's kind of like a solar core that, the inside is cooking, but it didn't, there's not enough to boom. It needs to, crush all the way down and then get the heat generated, and then, it becomes a sun. It might have went, and that was it. Or from a supernova, when it went, supernova core went boom, this was a ejecta from it. Years and years and years ago, billions of years ago, or millions of years ago. They're calculating it almost older than the solar system and older than, Methuselah. Well, who knows? But right now, it's out of here. Didn't kill us. Didn't seed Jupiter. No transpermia. Didn't hit Mars. Didn't hit us. We are going through the tail of debris right now, and that's why we're getting a little more shooting stars and meteorites coming in. There's also, some of the ones that may have, its gravity may have pulled some dirt and debris along with it, and that's why we're getting some of that now. But I nailed it. That's one thing I'm going to say for sure. I called it. You could look it up. See you next time. Stevos.